Exercise 8.4, question 5, 9th. So, we need to prove cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. We have been given a hint that simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. So, we need to do it separately. We will solve this part and then we will solve this part. The result of the both parts would be the same one. So, we have took the left hand side, this cosec A minus sin A open bracket sec A minus cos A. So, whenever we are given that you need to prove something, always try to convert them in a sin and cos. If some function is in a sin and cos, so don't convert them. If there are in rest of the sin and cos, then you can convert them in sin and cos. So, here cosec A is there, so I can convert it in a sin and cos. Sin is there, I am not going to convert it. Sec A, I have to convert it in sin and cos. Cos A, no need to convert. So, start. How can I convert cosec into sin or cos? So, cosec is a reciprocal of the sin. So, I can write 1 upon sin A minus sin A. Here sec A is a reciprocal of the cos. So, I can write 1 upon cos A minus cos A. Now, taking the LCM, sin A, here is my LCM. So, I can write like this 1 as it is, and this sin A will multiply with this sin A. So, it will become sin square A and in division sin A. Bracket over. Here same thing, cos A would be our LCM. So, cos A will multiply with this cos A. So, this one is as it is 1 minus this cos A multiply with this cos A. So, cos square A and in division cos A. Done. So, now we know that we are having an identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, if I say what about sin theta, sin square theta, so it would be 1 minus this cos theta will go this side, it would be 1 minus cos square theta. So, here it is 1 minus cos square theta. So, I can write sin square theta over here, and if I consider here cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin go this side. So, it would be a 1 minus sin square theta. So, it is here. So, using this identity, we can write like this 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A in division sin A. Here in multiplication, 1 minus cos square A is what? Sin square A. In division cos A is there. So, these sin square and 1 sin and this extra cos and extra this cos would nullify, and I would reach with cos A into sin A. Okay. So, the same thing I need to prove with this part. So, same thing we will convert this tan and cot into sin and cos, and then we will go toward the sin and cos. So, right hand side is equal to now 1 upon, I am going to convert this tan into sin and cos. So, sin A upon cos A plus cot. For cot I can write cos upon sin. So, cos A upon sin A. Again I am going to take LCM. So, we can take cross multiplication of LCM. So, sin A will multiply with sin A. So, sin square A plus this cos A will multiply with this cos A. So it will be cos